What should we do next? This is going to be the fastest video I've ever done. I just got that mascara all over my hand. I always put this on and I always forget how bad it stings, and it stings so bad. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am in a different setup again because I can't make my mind up. I feel like the other setup looks really cluttered in the back and it drives me up the wall, and this looks a lot more clean and I'm comfy because I'm sat on my bed. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a full face of makeup using only cream and liquid products, no powder. So I'm not powdering my face, I'm not using powder eyeshadows. Okay, let's get on with the video. So first I'm going to moisturise my face. I'm going to use the Simple Triple Protect Moisturiser. And I'm just applying this all over the face. This has like SPF in it, so it's very white. Oh. Okay, I don't actually have a mirror on me today, so this is also, if I keep looking there, to the right, left, right, whichever one it is, it's because I'm literally using my viewfinder as the mirror. Since we're not using powders, I don't have an eyeshadow palette, so that's what I'm going to do. So this is done. Bye. So now we're going to prime. This is the Nyx Honeydew Me Primer. I love this primer. I'm just going to blend it in. Blend it, yep, smooth it out all over my skin. Using my hands. What should we do next? This is going to be the fastest video I've ever done. So I got this. This is the L'Oreal, it's the new L'Oreal Skin Paradise. This is the shade Fair. It's their tinted water cream, and the packaging is so cool. It has like these little fake water droplets that are like bumpy. I don't know if you can see that, they're like 3D. You hear it? I'm just kidding. But I got the fair one, which was the lightest one, because the other ones on the circle on the front looked quite orange toned, and I'm not that orange unless I'm wearing the wrong foundation. So I want to see how this goes. It apparently has like aloe vera, ginger and witch hazel in, and it's water based, so I've not tried it. My sister's tried it already. Apply this to the face. I think I'm gonna apply it to the back of my hand and then dot it on my face. Let's see what it looks like together when it comes out. It's thicker than I thought. I don't know how much coverage it has. Okay, it doesn't feel like there's actually anything on my skin. Okay, that is actually really nice. I quite like that. I wonder if they do a lighter shade than this. Now for concealer, I'm going to use the Born This Way Too Faced concealer. I've been loving this concealer recently. And I just take the tiniest little dots here. I touched my hand. Okay, so now that the concealer is all blended, we'll move on to the next step, which I'm not sure what that is. We're going to use the Huda Beauty, that's upside down, the Huda Beauty Tantour. This is the shade Medium. I'm going to blend with the Real Techniques Beauty Sponge as I go. Just going to blend. Now we're going to use blush. This is the e.l.f. Monochromatic Multi-Stick. And it's just like this pink colour. This is Dazzling Peony. So I'm just going to get some on my finger. I tap it up here. I'll apply a little teeny bit to the nose. I'm going to use the iconic London Illuminator. This is the original shade. I don't know if it might be a bit dark for me. We're going to see. I'm going to drop a little drop on the back of my hand and then use my fingers, take a teeny tiny bit. Blend it in with a different finger. To this side. So for brows, I'm just going to use the Benefit Gimme Brow. This is the like cream brow setter gel thing. So this is the shade 4, and I'm just going to I cannot see what I'm doing. So now I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Melted Shadows. These are like cream shadows. It looks like this. So this is the shade Double Pump Latte. So I'm going to take... Oh, and drop top. So I'm going to take the shade Double Pump Latte, which is the matte one. Take my eyeshadow brush and just blend it, I guess. Now I'm going to dip the brush on the actual thing itself. This is messy. And pop it in the crease. Now I'm going to take the shimmery shade called Drop Top. I don't know. Taking the other brush again, and I'm just gonna like blend the edge a bit. So I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Paris Exatic mascara. I just got that mascara all over my hand. Last step, I'm going to use the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme Gloss. This is the shade Pink Punch. It's one of the coloured ones. Okay, this doesn't look bad. To say that I literally cannot see what I'm doing at all. I always put this on and I always forget how bad it stings, and it stings so bad. But it works, so. I want some highlight in the inner corner. How can I? I'm going to take the drops again, and I'm going to take the tiniest little dot on the back of my hand. And I don't know how I'm actually going to do this. I'm going to take this little flat brush thing I've got. Put it in the inner corner. We're going to use our fingers. The same with my brow bone. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. So this is a full face of cream makeup, which is really good for like summer days. It's very light. Yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye.